In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep site private on Wix. If you're polishing a design, sharing early drafts, or simply limiting who can view a specific page, Wix makes it simple to add a password so only people you choose can get in. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On the left side of the screen, look for the Pages icon. Click it to open the Pages panel. This panel lists every page on your site, and it's where you'll choose the exact page you want to protect. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct page, especially if you have similar page names. Next, find the page you want to keep private and click the three dots next to its name. Those three dots open the More Options menu for that page. If you don't see them right away, hover your mouse over the page name and they'll appear. From this menu, choose Settings. This opens a panel dedicated to the selected page's controls, so any changes you make here apply only to that one page. Inside the page settings, go to the Access section. Access determines who can see the page. You'll see options that let you keep it public or restrict it. Select the password option. This tells Wix to prompt visitors for a password before the page loads. When prompted, create a password you're comfortable sharing with the people who need access. Choose something memorable but not easy to guess. Avoid using personal information or passwords you use for other accounts. For added clarity, you can jot down a short note to yourself about who you plan to share it with, and keep that note somewhere secure. Remember, anyone with this password can view the page, so share it only with trusted viewers. After you set the password, Wix applies that protection to the page. From now on, visitors who navigate to that page will see a password screen. Once they enter the correct password, they'll get full access to the content. If you ever need to change the password later, you can return to the same access area and update it. And if you decide the page can be public again, you can switch access back from password to public at any time. That's it. To recap, open the Pages panel, click the three dots on your chosen page, go to Settings, head to Access, set it to Password, and add your password. With those simple steps, your page stays private until you decide otherwise. Thanks for watching, and happy building!